Here's 3 fun facts that you need to think about. Fact: the energy grid is the most complicated machine that we've ever built. Fact: the machine is about to get far more complex with accelerating trends. Fact: you need to do it faster. I'm Jim Carroll. I'm a futurist trends and innovation expert, and I speak to organizations worldwide about the rapid trends which are enveloping our world today and providing significant challenges as we go into a future in which the world belongs to those who are fast. Some believe that we are going to see more change in the world of energy and utilities in the next 5 years than we have seen in the last 100 years. And that's because we have a perfect storm of trends coming together all at once, which are reshaping the nature of what we do, the architecture that we put in place, the skills that we require, and the way that we interact with consumers. Really what is happening is Moore's Law is coming to the utility industry as technology and the Internet of Things comes to define the future of the grid. We are witnessing an absolute acceleration of science impacting battery technology and providing new architectures and opportunities to change the very nature and fundamental method by which the grid operates. And then there's the acceleration of renewables. It is believed that we are now hitting grid parity faster than estimates provided for just a few years ago. It is fundamentally changing the business model of most utilities as we transition to become insurance companies that provide energy when renewables can't. Consumers are changing as they adopt new technologies to provide power on their own, and the acceleration of microgrid technology is leading to a world of disruptive change. It's challenging us to respond to a world in which consumers are more and more defining the future of the electrical grid. And then we have to deal with the stuff that we weren't even thinking about just a few years ago. We've got to architect our utilities so that they can provide energy to an increasing number of electric vehicles. Some car manufacturers are talking that they're going to be a fully electric fleet within just 10 years. And how are we going to provide the energy and the infrastructure to support such initiatives? All of this is happening in the midst of a massive transition of the world of energy itself. Look, I was talking to one energy CEO, and he said he thinks that we have one last oil boom in our future before the cycle of renewables and the cycle of alternative energy sources comes to achieve dominance in terms of what we do within the architecture of our system. There is so much going on, and it's all happening incredibly fast. And my tagline with a lot of the organizations with whom I work is that truly we are in a world in which the future belongs to those who are fast.